The New York Times sues OpenAI and Microsoft for massive copyright infringement. The New York Times has filed a bombshell lawsuit against AI giants OpenAI and Microsoft. The Times alleges OpenAI and Microsoft copied millions of articles without permission to train their artificial intelligence systems. This includes Chat and Microsoft's Copilot coding assistant. The Times says these AI models now directly compete against its content by generating articles, summaries, and mimicking their writing style. The Times argues this copyright infringement has cost them big money in lost subscriptions, ads, and licensing deals, while OpenAI and Microsoft profit enormously from their AI systems built on copied content. Other news outlets like BBC and CNN have blocked OpenAI from scraping their sites. But OpenAI reached deals with publishers like Politico to directly access content. The Times says it tried negotiating with OpenAI and Microsoft, but failed to get fair compensation for the unauthorized use of its articles. Now the Times is suing for billions in damages, and to stop the AI companies from continuing to train on Times content without permission. This explosive lawsuit exposes the massive copyright issues around training AI systems on online data, and raises big questions about how to balance AI innovation with protecting creators' rights. As AI transforms industries, we need clear rules on what's allowed. This legal battle between journalism and big tech giants will help shape how AI evolves responsibly. The stakes are enormous both for the future of news and the AI revolution. This will be one to watch closely in 2023 and beyond.